Hey everybody, welcome back to the kitchen. We are going to make something so simple tonight. I've prepared just a taco meat. I'll link the video to that in the description box. It's just ground beef with the homemade taco seasoning in there. Okay, we're going to make just a taco biscuit bake. What is that, you may ask? I'll get ready to show you. We're going to start by spraying our muffin tin. Okay. I've got my oven turned to 375. And just a can of biscuits. Actually 2 cans. Because there's only 8 in here and we have 12 holes. But you can make this in any quantity that you want. I've got 2 pounds of ground beef right there, so it's going to make quite a bit. There we go. That's like an adult Jack in the Box, isn't it? You never know when it's going to pop. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to flatten this out a little bit. I'm going to put the biscuit down in there. And this is going to rise up and surround that, and it's going to be just a big biscuit taco. It's going to be so good. But here we go again. Just flatten it out, mash it out, put it in there, mash it down. And put 1 to 2 spoons of the ground beef mixture in there. Okay, I'm going to keep going until I get these done. Then I'll tell you what we're going to do with them next. Okay, we have got our taco meat inside our biscuits. And this is going to raise up and just be so good. I'm sprinkling this with just a little bit of shredded cheese. You can use whatever flavor that you like. This is a Fiesta blend. You can use normal cheddar. You can use any of the Mexican type cheeses. You can use a taco cheese. Just whatever your flavor is. Put a little bit more on that one. Okay, so let's put this in the oven and see what it looks like here in a few minutes. Okay folks, the timer has just gone off on the oven. So we're going to bring the, you see my glasses? This happens every time folks, this is real life. Now don't that look amazing? I know my family is going to love this. Just going to take this out. As you can see, it does have some cheese on the top. I'm going to cut it in half. Show you what the center looks like. Okay. Now, I'm going to spread some more cheese on top of this. Give it definitely a little more moisture on there. Who doesn't love cheese? Okay. I have some of the salsa that I canned last year. I'll link a video to that in the description box as well. Excellent salsa. Still so nice and thick. Now folks, right here's where I would typically put a couple dollops of sour cream on top of here. But when I went to the refrigerator, guess who didn't have sour cream? That'd be me. Thought I did, but I remembered I made something a couple of days ago. And I forgot to buy any more, so. Sorry folks, we don't get the pretty sour cream. You could also add shredded lettuce on this, avocado, banana peppers, anything that you would normally put on a taco or in a taco salad. But for right now, this looks like it's something that I cannot wait to get into. But there you go. There you go, guys. Fast, simple, easy. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you'd like that video, subscribe, share. It'd really help the channel a lot. Help it beat that YouTube algorithm. But as always, we'll see you on the next video.
That looks so tasty.